If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Vanguard Extended Duration Treasury ETF with the ticker symbol EDV. This was a viewer's request and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for EDV, and the first thing that stands out to me is that this is a very strong trend. You can see that there was a peak at the 148 level, and we have sold off all the way down to around the $93 level, which is about a 37% drop. Currently we're trading around the 33% drop, but that might not hold either, and probably can see continued selling pressure for this stock. Whenever you have something this obvious, meaning on this chart you can see that prices is going down, traders are going to be more confident in taking shorts because it's obvious that we're going down. So you can see that every pullback, traders are just thinking there's a sell right here, a put right here, a sell, a put. You know, it's just very simple like that. So we're going to see continued selling as long as the trend stays intact, and right now the trend is on the side for the bears. You can see that we had two legs up. This is the first leg up right here. This was the second leg up. Prices reached the target around the 102 103 level, sold off. We got back below the EMA, so that's not a good sign. It means that the market is pretty weak because we cannot pull back to the resistance side of the channel, which is what we normally expect. Even after the market came up a little short on this side, we came up a little short on this side, but normally when we come up short here, we get an overshoot over here. Either way, we came up short, we got back below the EMA, and looks like we're seeing some selling. For this thing to be red on a green day for the market is pretty bearish. So I'm looking for new lows. I don't think this 92 or $93 level was the bottom of this entire downtrend. I'm expecting continuation of the downtrend until we get signs of weakness. As of right now, you can see this channel is still intact. Prices are not outside of it and going sideways. We're just still trending down, getting rejected by the EMA. So this thing looks pretty bearish. So I'll be expecting low prices, and I'll show you guys a target that I have in mind. The first target is right here. So the first target is actually the low of this downtrend. I'm just gonna go right off the bat and say this low right here is not the bottom. But do I have a target that's even lower? Yeah, I do. You can see this was the first leg right here, and then we had the second leg, but you can see the second leg was much larger than the first leg, so that lends me to believe this is a three-wave pattern working lower. And as long as we don't go above the 106 level, this target holds, and it's right at the $81 level. So that's my target for EDV. I'm pretty sure a bunch of other traders are also looking for the same target, and that's why it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, where we all think alike, and the smart trader is also going to be holding their positions until this target is met, or until they see buyers step in the market and looks like the price can't push through a certain level, and then they're like, okay, let me get out of my position before, or let me lock in some profits before I get stopped out, or I lose money. So that's what shorts are thinking. They're looking for these targets. If the price action reverses, then they're going to start getting out and lock in profits. So we might see that happen too, but as right now it looks unlikely because we have been, every time we get above the EMA, it's short-lived, and we see a lot of selling pressure come in right after. So it's the same pattern I'm going to be expecting until we see these long-term targets met. So I'm looking for that $80 level. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. We can go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the market, the weekly chart for EDV. Looks like there was a high at the 189 level, and currently we're trading, like I said before, right around the $98 level. So that's a 47% drop thus far. I still think there's a bunch of selling pressure left. you can see that prices are attempting to make 2 legs down. This is the first leg, this is the second leg, and it's right around the first target I had on the daily chart, which is around the $80 level, and this one's at the 82, so very close to the first target. So again, traders are also looking at this long-term measured move. You can see that prices have been selling down ever since it made that high at the 148, 149, and they're going towards that measured move target I have on the chart. So I'm not saying we're gonna get there tomorrow, I'm not saying we're gonna get there next month. We're gonna have pullbacks in the market. Some days you can have green days, some weeks you're gonna have green days, some weeks you're gonna have red weeks. So it just all depends on how the market wants to get there. But as right now, this looks like a pretty aggressive angle that the prices are moving in, so it can get there fairly quickly as long as it keeps up its pace. And it looks like probably late August, early September, we can reach that $80 level if we continue down in the same angle that we're working inside of. So this is pretty bearish. You can see that we got rejected from this previous support back here in 2018. This was support at the 102 level. Prices came back up to it after breaking out, found resistance, and that's not what you want to see if you want to be a bull. And prices been selling off ever since. So I'm looking for a new low of this downtrend. Things are not looking good. And look at the $81 level is right back near the 2011 price level. So that's a good opportunity in my eyes. We're near the 2014 price levels, but once we reach the 2011 price levels, you can see that that's where the bottom was, or the all-time lows for this stock. So that's what it looks like traders are targeting. We might even go lower than that, but we'll have to wait and see. So that's everything I see on the daily and weekly charts, and my confident target I have is right around that $80 level, or 81. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.